Hello, everyone. My name is Lennart Uvhagen. I'm a CATIA expert. I've been working with CATIA since about 2002. So I will welcome you to this video where I'm going to show you the benefits you can gain by using CATIA in your role as a subcontractor or partner to perhaps the automotive industry. I'm going to show you this by playing out two scenarios. The first scenario is where I'm using CATIA. And in the second one, I don't have CATIA in my company as CAD software. So let's start scenario one where I use CATIA. In this case, my customer simply sends me a CATIA file. I have already received it and saved it into my environment, my session. And in this case, I use the platform 3D Experience. In 3D Experience, it's very easy to search and navigate for your documents. For example, here, I would like to open a CATIA file, a specific CATIA file, and I can review it before I decide if it's the correct model or not. And in that case, it's correct. I will just drag and drop it over to CATIA. And because I'm using CATIA, it's the same software as the designer has used. I will have all the feature and information from the designer. You see, this is a simple solid model. And with it, I also get the tree with features and information. For example, I can immediately verify the draft analysis and what is the draft information for the model? What is the threshold for the draft? So I have access to the draft analysis. And I also have access to some important features like the draft directions or the parting surface. Moreover, I can access all the dimensioning and the tolerances, the requirements of the model. This customer don't use 2D drawings. He have decided to move from creating 2D drawings to instead apply or implement the method of MBD, model-based definition. In model-based definition, you just add your requirements and dimensioning directly to the model. So I can easily access it. It's here in the tree. So here I have some important measurements and tolerances. And beside that, I have additional information in the tree. I can, for example, see the roughness requirements of the model, and I see the general tolerances. All this is available thanks to importing the model directly to my own system, and in this case, use CATIA. Now I will show you scenario 2 where I am not using CATIA in my company. In this case, I use an additional software. And the first thing I need to do is to ask my customer for a step file. So now I will go back and now play the role as a customer. I will save this model as a step file. And to apply good export rules or export methodology, I will highlight or show the important features before I save it as a step file. And the step generator in CATIA is very, very strong, so the model is very accurate and correct. But just to verify that, I will need to open the step file myself first, just to see that the export has went well. Yes, I can see it's a solid body. part body here, nice. And I have my important features like draft direction and parting surface. And I also have the PMI. So that is fine. And now back to my company working as a subcontractor. I have just received the step file and I will now open it. And the first thing I see when I open the step file is that there is some warnings. Something has not gone really well during the import. So let's see what it is. We have some complaints about surfaces here. And if I have a look on that one, I will see, yes, what was a nice solid in CATIA has now seems to have cracked. And there are some strange surfaces created. And also, I can notice that here is a fillet missing. So my model has in some way cracked, and this by itself will create a huge problem for me. Otherwise, I get my splitting surface and drafting direction. It's good, but I can notice that I don't have my PMI. I don't have any 3D dimensioning, tolerancing requirements. The parameters and dimensions are missing. That makes it difficult when I need to verify my created part, manufactured part against the model. Finally, as a toolmaker, I like to add a design modification proposal for the designer. In this case, I like to add a full radius fillet here. So I say fillet from this one to this side. And I apply the fillet, and the system was not able to perform the operation. And this also happens sometimes if the geometry is too complex. If I, on the other hand, try the same thing at CATIA, I don't expect any problem. And that is because CATIA has a very, very strong modeling core. Probably the best modeling core on the market. So he's able to perform even complex modification, geometric modification. Well, that is the end of my demonstration. And I hope you have seen the benefits of using CATIA in your role as a subcontractor or partner to perhaps the automotive industry. Thank you for your time.